Welcome to this week's edition of the Sacramento area's most wanted fugitives. All of this week's suspects are wanted on felony warrants. First up, we have Haines Thomas. He's wanted by Sacramento police for carjacking. Police say that on August 4th, a group of people contacted the future victim expressing interest in buying the victim's vehicle. The group test drove the car and then left. Later, 3 people returned and gave the victim cash for the car, but the victim realized the money was fake and tried to confront those who bought the car. Then, Thomas hit the victim on the back of the head, knocking them to the ground. The victim tried to get up, but Thomas then hit them on the side of the face. The victim then fled, and the group of people stole the vehicle. Thomas's last known residence was on Golden Gate Avenue in San Francisco, but he's been known to frequent the north area of Sacramento. Next up is Webb. He's wanted by Sac PD for assault with a deadly weapon, assault by means of force likely to produce great bodily injury, and vandalism. Police say that on the night of September 28th, the victim heard his front windows break. The victim then got out of bed, walked to the front door, and opened it. Webb was there when the victim opened the door and hit the victim on the head with an object. According to police, Webb has tattoos on both arms, and his last address was General Delivery in Sacramento. Next, we have an unknown suspect. He's wanted by Elk Grove police for theft and identity theft. Police say that on October 5th, the victim parked their vehicle at a sports complex in Elk Grove. The suspect then parked his vehicle next to the victim's vehicle and opened the victim's unlocked car door. He took the victim's credit cards and cash from the glove box. Less than an hour later, the suspect used the stolen credit cards at a store in West Sacramento. The suspect is described as an African-American male about 25 to 45 years old and was driving a newer white Audi A3 or A4 with a sunroof. And lastly, we have Xavier Myers. He's wanted by the California Department of Corrections for a parole violation. Police say he has a history of burglary and gang affiliations. He has a large red rose tattoo on the right side of his neck and a San Francisco Giants logo on the left side. He's known to frequent the south area of Sacramento. If you have any information about any of these people, please call 800-222-7463 or report online at crimealert.org.